In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu using Squarespace, which is a fantastic way to organize your website's navigation for a cleaner, more user-friendly experience. Imagine having all your related pages neatly tucked under a single header, making it easier for your visitors to find what they're looking for. This not only improves the visual appeal of your site, but also enhances the overall flow and usability, especially if you have a lot of content to showcase. So, let's dive right into this. First, the journey begins by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, you'll want to head over to the Pages panel. This is essentially the control center for your website's content, where you can see all the pages and, later on, how they will be arranged in your site's navigation. Now, look for the main navigation section. This area is where all the top-level pages of your site are displayed. Next to main navigation, you'll notice a little plus icon. When you click it, it gives you various options, one of which is to add a new element to your site. Here, you should select Dropdown, or sometimes referred to as Folder from the available options. By doing so, you're creating a new folder in your navigation. Think of this folder as a virtual cabinet where you can store and organize various pages that belong together under a single banner. Once you have your folder, it's important to give it a name that reflects the content of the pages it will house. This is crucial, as this name will be what your visitors see in the main navigation bar. After typing in your desired name, press Enter to confirm it. Next, we move on to organizing your pages. Still within the Pages panel, find the page you wish to turn into a subpage. Squarespace makes this step quite intuitive. Simply click and drag the chosen page to the right, positioning it directly beneath your newly created drop-down folder. You'll see a visual cue indicating that the page is ready to be nested. Once the page is right where you want it, release your mouse button. Congratulations! The page has now been successfully added to the folder and will appear as a subpage. Now, anyone who hovers over the folder in your navigation bar will see this page listed as part of that drop-down menu. You can repeat this same process for any other pages you'd like to add as subpages within this folder. Just follow the dragging and dropping method, ensuring each one is neatly nested under the correct folder. This approach not only enhances the navigation's organization, but also allows visitors to seamlessly explore the various facets of your site. With this simple yet effective method, you're not only enhancing the aesthetics, but also improving the functional flow of your Squarespace site. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy web building!